Just like our mind needs a meditative break when we are stressed, our gut also needs a reset when our lifestyle habits trigger imbalance. If you struggle with acidity, gastritis, burning sensation, or a sensitive stomach, then try this healing one pot beetroot khichdi once daily for 7 to 10 days. The process to make it is super simple. Just make sure you watch this video to combine the right ingredients together and understand how they work. Let's make the one pot beetroot khichdi. Welcome to the dosha kitchen. I started with soaking the rice before I start prepping the veggies, so they are in water for at least 15 to 20 minutes. Now we peel the veggies, and in case you're wondering, yes, I am collecting all the waste so I can use it as compost for my garden. Last step for prep, and that's grate the beetroot and roughly chop the other 3 vegetables. While we do this, let me tell you how each ingredient contributes to gut healing. Beetroot is rich in antioxidants and nitrates that support blood flow and helps in stomach tissue repair. So check for ulcers and gastritis. Then dudi or lauki or bottle gourd, which is cooling and soothing for excess pitta. So it's a check for acidity and burning sensations. Carrots, which have pectin, a soluble fiber that lines your stomach walls, so it's a check for acid reflux, gastritis and ulcers. Zucchini is super easy to digest, hydrates, acts as a lubricant, so check for gastritis, IBS and leaky gut. Starting to feel better already? That's all the prep we need. My pressure cooker is on the gas and slightly warm already. Add some A2 ghee. Then add a little bit of jeera and saunf. Let it crackle a little. You can also add some curry leaves at this stage. Now let's start adding all our veggies one by one. Saute it for a bit so the ghee coats the veggies, and then add the soaked rice. Make sure you throw away the soaked water and not use it for cooking. Mix it well together, then add water and our job is done. Let this cook for 3 to 4 whistles. Time to open the magic pot. Add the rock salt at this point and savor this soul-satisfying beetroot khichdi. Light and super yummy. I hope you try this recipe and enjoy it. Please do like our video, subscribe to our channel and share it with someone who needs this gut reset today.